Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to quick add someone on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, Snapchat is a social media platform that provides you with various filters that you can use to take disappearing snaps, disappearing videos, and even disappearing chats or normal aspects of messaging to your friends and contacts that you have added on your application. So now without any further ado, let me show you how you can quick add someone on Snapchat. So first of all, launch Snapchat on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the top, just beside the search bar, you can see a plus icon with an individual icon. Tap on it. Now, once you come to this page, just under quick add, you can see variety of friends list that you could add from. So this is an algorithm by Snapchat that suggests you with your various contacts that have been using Snapchat or your mutual friends of other friends that you might have on your Snapchat account. So in order to quick add someone, simply tap on the add button at the right hand each contact. Now after you have added someone, you have to wait until the other person has added you back and then only they can view your snap or you can send them your snaps. Now in case if you want to remove yourself from other people's quick add list, what you can do is just go back to main Snapchat interface and then just tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your Snapchat screen. Now once you are here on this page, simply tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now once you are here, scroll down below and tap on the option of See Me in Quick Add. Here we go. Now once you're here, you can see the option of Show Me in Quick Add and you can see that the box at the right is selected. Now, if you deselect the option in this box, other mutual connections or your contacts won't be able to see you in the quick add list. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to quick add someone on Snapchat. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.